Hello, my dear children. How are you? You must be fine. I am also fine. Okay, now tell me first, which day is today? Day, da, day. Today is Sunday. Sunday is a fun day. And we will do letter da, just like a fun way, in just like a fun way. Okay. This is uppercase dida and this is lowercase dida. Draw one line from red line to lower blue line and make a curve, big curve from red line to blue line. Okay? Then again it will be your uppercase. Again draw one from red line to lower blue line and make a small curve from blue to blue line. It will be your lowercase dida. Okay, beta? Now we will see the story. This is Dimple. She had a doll. Okay, very pretty doll like Dimple. She was showing a dice and a drum to her doll. Look how the drum beats, how dice looks. Okay, she was enjoying. The door opened. Her mother came and she gave her dates to eat. Okay, dates khajur hoti hai beta. It's very good for health. Okay, she gave her dates to eat. Then in the evening, her father came. Her father was a doctor. Doctor treats the sick people. Okay, beta. Father called Dimple and said, Beta, two festivals are coming. Dashara and Diwali. Dida, Dashara, Dida, Diwali. Dimple said, Wow, I will enjoy the most, Papa. We will decorate our house. Papa said, Yes, both of us will decorate the house on Diwali. They decorated their house on Diwali and there were lots of bits of paper on the floor. Papa said, Take all the bits of paper and throw it in the dustbin. Dida, dustbin. You should always throw the shaving of the pencils in the dustbin. Okay, children? Yes, that's like a good child. When she slept, she saw a dream. Her dream was very nice. She dreamed that duck swam merrily, wow, and the deer hopped joyfully, nice, and the dog ran happily till the beating of the drum, dum dum dum. She enjoyed lot to see the donkey was also smiling over there. So this was her dream. Okay, beta. Now try to learn all the letters, all the pictures with letter D. Da. D. Da. Dolphin. D. Da. Deer. D. Da. Donkey. D. Da. Dog. D. Da. Duck. D. Da. Dustbin. D. Da. Date. D. Da. Dice. D. Da. Doctor. D. Da. Door. D. Da. Doll. D. Da. Drum. D. Da. Dashara. D. Da. Diwali. This is all for D. Da. Parents, don't forget to like, share and subscribe please and wait for the next letter E. Bye.